Have you heard how AI is revolutionizing affiliate marketing? It's like moving from a bicycle to a high-speed train.
Really? I thought AI was just for, big tech companies.
Well, that's the thing. Most affiliate marketers are still using outdated methods that waste time. But AI
Mm.
tools are changing all that.
But isn't AI complicated and expensive?
You'd think so, but tools like CustomGPT.ai make it accessible, even for beginners without a massive budget.
Okay, but how does that actually help me?
Well, AI can analyze huge amounts of data,
Right.
predict trends, and personalize content like never before.
So it's like having a marketing assistant who never sleeps?
Exactly, and it can tailor experiences to each user.
Interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure, AI tools provide predictive analytics, showing
Okay.
which products will resonate with your audience.
Didn't we just guess that before?
Yeah, but now AI removes the guesswork.
Makes sense. And personalizing content, how does that work?
Tools like CustomGPT.ai create content that's tailored to individual preferences.
But doesn't that make it less personal?
Actually, it makes it more personal.
Really?
Users get content that speaks directly to them.
I see. But are there any challenges?
Well, we need to be careful with data privacy and use AI ethically.
Definitely important. So how do I get started?
You can join affiliate programs like CustomGPT.ai's, which
Okay.
offers up to 20% commissions.
That sounds great. Is it easy to set up?
Absolutely, and they provide resources to help you get started.
All right, time to embrace AI and level up my affiliate marketing.